Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. The software for this tablet has been updated. The new software is One UI 3.1. So guys, please update your software to have all the new features. So some of the features I will show you today. For example, you open different multiple apps in the split screen mode. Let's say we open Samsung Notes. Okay, and then we open let's say one more app. Let's say we open the internet. Okay, the Samsung internet. Okay, I drag it over here. I open in the split screen mode. So you can see over here there are two apps. Okay, I open. Okay, for example, I open one more app. Okay, I select from here, let's say a Galaxy Store. Okay, I drag it over here. Okay, and then I also put it in the split screen mode. So guys, you can see over here I have three different apps. Okay, they all working perfectly fine. Okay, and now for example I press the home button over here. So you can see the apps are gone now, but now if you want to access all of these three apps, you can easily do it with the new updated software. Guys, simply what you have to do, you have to go into the recent button option. You can see over here these three lines, the recent button. Okay, just press it, and once you press it, you will see the three apps are over here together. You can see they all in the split screen mode. Just click them. Okay, and then you can see over here they are open in front of you in the same split screen mode. Guys, this is really cool feature. They are working perfectly fine. If you want to take notes, you can also take notes. Okay, you can see over here. Okay, you can also use the apps. Okay, you can use the internet, you can use the Galaxy Store, or if you have multiple apps, you can use it. Simply what you have to do, for example, if you press the home button, the three apps are gone now. Okay, and now you want to re-access them. Simply in the split screen mode, just press this recent button, and then the apps are over here that you open in the split screen. If you have more apps, it will also show over here. So for example, it's already there. I already open it, so I just click it, and then these apps are in front of you in the same condition that you left them before. So this is really cool feature, guys. The other feature is you can also close all of the recent apps. Simply and just press this recent button again. Okay, I press it now, and then before, what you have to do, before you have to press one by one to close the apps, but now you have option over here, it says close all. So once you press it, all the apps will be closed. Okay, I press this close all button, and now all the apps are close. So this is also another cool feature. The third feature that I want to show you is the lock tablet option. So for example, I lock this tablet here, and then I want to unlock it. So once I press it over here, the draw unlock pattern, you can move its position. Guys, simply you see the arrows over here. I will show you. So the arrows are over here. For example, I press this arrow, it will come over here. If I press it, okay, and then again I press, it will come over here. So you can change the position of the unlock pattern easily, guys. So you can see over here, so you can press it like this. Okay, you can also press it over here, and then when you access, you can simply access it like that. So these are some of the really cool features. The other feature is Samsung Dex. I already made a video on it. You can access that video. The Samsung Dex option, which is really cool, really amazing feature that Samsung is given. So you can also access it. So guys, please update your software to have all the new feature for S6 Lite. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. Please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.